What's up everybody, welcome back here on the channel. It's time for another unboxing video, and today we're gonna take a look at a really cool new 2024 Hot Wheels set called Tubular Trucks. As you can see, this is from the silver line, and that means this is kind of semi-premium. And the good thing about this set is all of these models do come with a metal base. The other Silverline sets we've seen so far in this year, I think they only included two models with a metal base. But yeah, all of them come with a metal base. I really like that. Couldn't find this set in stores, so I had to order it online. And to be honest, I wanted to keep these models carded because I really like the card art, but they didn't arrive in the best conditions. So yeah, we're gonna do an unboxing, and we're gonna start with this guy here, which is number 1 of 5. This is the 1980 Dodge Macho Power Wagon. Let's take a look at this really nice card art first. Seems like these trucks take part in kind of an off-road contest where you are not allowed to hit these poles, and yeah, it looks really cool. Got this 80s vibe with these things. I mean, to look like lightsabers, a little bit like Star Wars. Really nice. So let's crack this one open and bring the camera down and focus the camera. So really nice model. First of all, let's take a look at the base, and yes, this is metal. Comes with a matte black livery. As you can see, really nice glossy red with some black and yellow deco on the side. Say Mopar here on the side, Power Wagon on the back. And yeah, we got these huge wheels with saying Hot Wheels. It's looking really good. I mean, I would have preferred, you know, names of real tire manufacturers, but it is how it is. It looks kind of cool. This thing is kind of heavy. Yeah, looking really good. Let's put this one into our parking lot, and let's go on with this guy here, which is the Chevy Blazer 4x4. Yeah, car that I really like. Let's crack this one open. As you can see, this one has also a metal base. This one here on the rotator. Yeah, this one comes with silver rims, also saying Hot Wheels on them. I mean, we get a lot of details. Take a look at this thing. Get prints on the hood. As you can see, not the best. We get some kind of scratches or something. Also here on the side, but the rest looks really good. We also get the printing on the video, on the on the back window. Sorry for that. And I think this is yeah, it's molded in to the casting, saying Chevrolet. Really nice. Really like that chrome front, which is part of the base for sure. But we also get some details here, which is really cool. And yeah, we also get a roof rack. As you can see, we get some silver details here on the roof rack. Really nice. Into the parking lot. Next one up is the 1985 Ford Bronco. I'm a huge Bronco fan, all generations. Once again, metal base. This one comes with a spare tire in the back. And I really like this golden metallic livery. This looks really good. I think it's the best one so far. As you might know, I'm really into racing and rally livery. We get some Ford Iwach number 85 on the side, which is of course the model year. Also on the hood, Goodyear. Once again, metal base, and the front is part of that, and we get some headlights, which is really, really nice. And we also get details on the back. Ford here. So I think you get, with these, you get a lot of value for your money comparing to, let's say, really or real premium model from Hot Wheels or Golden Line, how they call it right now. I mean, except rubber tires, these are really, really good, in my opinion. Really cool. Then, get this one here, number 4 or 5. This is the 1987 Toyota pickup truck. Yeah, I like the color combination here on the side. Yellow, orange, and blue. Toyo tires. Get some details on the front. It's also saying Toyota here. And yeah, we get a lot of metal. These things are pretty heavy. I really, really like that. It's also really cool from the back saying Toyota in huge letters. Yeah, this is just a great set. So let's put this one into the parking lot and let's get to the final one, which is this one here, the 1988 Jeep Wagoneer, number 5 of 5, which comes with an interesting livery. It's kind of a metallic reddish brown or chocolate. Once again, a lot of metal. Really, really cool. I really like these things. Metal front looks good. We get some nice details in the back saying Jeep right there. We get some tail lights, and we also get these yeah, logos here on the side. Jeep, Bilstein. This is BF Goodrich. Can't read that. So yeah, this is such a cool set, I have to say. Let's put the rotator to the side and take a final look at our models here. I mean, once again, I think, or I would have preferred some, yeah, names of the real tire manufacturers on the tires. But yeah, that's it. This is just a cool set. I mean, these things, at least here in my area, you have to pay between 4 and 5 euros. I think I paid 4 euros and 50 cents per model, which is really cool. I mean, a premium model is more than twice as much. Pay at least 10 euros for a Hot Wheels Golden Line or premium model. And I mean, once again, the only thing, in my opinion, what is missing are rubber tires. Somebody in the comments said he likes the card art on the Golden Line, just like the card art more. Yeah, maybe. But I think, once again, a lot of value for your money, and as always, picking a favorite. And in my opinion, it's this Bronco. Comes with a little bit smaller wheels than the other ones, but I really like the livery on this one. Pretty nice, and once again, the weight and the feeling of these, really, really cool. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Happy hunting. See you next time. Bye.